Today in this video we are going to see definition, advantages and disadvantages of software tester, QA. Definition. A software tester is a professional who is responsible for evaluating the quality and functionality of software applications before they are released to the end users. They conduct various tests, identify defects or bugs, and work closely with software developers to ensure that the software meets the required quality standards. Advantages of a software tester. 1. Ensuring software quality. The primary advantage of a software tester is to ensure that the software application is of high quality by identifying and fixing defects, bugs, and issues during the testing phase. This helps in improving the overall reliability and performance of the software, leading to enhanced user satisfaction. 1. Enhancing user experience. Software testers play a crucial role in improving the user experience of the software application. By identifying and addressing issues related to usability, functionality, and performance, testers help in creating a software application that is user-friendly, intuitive, and efficient. 1. Cost-effective. Early detection and fixing of software defects during the testing phase can help in reducing the overall cost of software development. Identifying and fixing issues in the testing phase is generally less expensive than fixing them after the software has been deployed to production. 1. Risk mitigation. Software testers help in identifying potential risks and vulnerabilities in the software application, such as security breaches, data leaks, or compatibility issues. By identifying and addressing these risks during the testing phase, testers help in minimizing the potential impact of such risks on the end users and the organization. Disadvantages of a software tester. 1. Time-consuming. Software testing can be a time-consuming process, involving various types of tests, iterations, and evaluations. This may sometimes result in delays in the software development process and impact project timelines. 1. Resource-intensive. Software testing requires dedicated resources, including skilled testers, test environments, and tools, which can add to the overall cost of software development. 1. Complexity. The ever-changing landscape of software technologies and platforms can make software testing complex and challenging. Testers need to continuously update their skills and stay updated with the latest industry trends and technologies. 1. Subjectivity. Software testing involves subjective judgment and interpretation of results, which may vary from one tester to another. This can sometimes result in inconsistencies in the testing process and outcomes. Conclusion. In conclusion, software testers play a crucial role in ensuring the quality, reliability, and performance of software applications. While there are advantages such as improved software quality, enhanced user experience, and cost-effective defect identification, there are also challenges such as time-consuming and resource-intensive nature of testing, complexity, and subjectivity. It's important to strike a balance and adopt best practices to effectively mitigate risks and ensure successful software testing outcomes. So I hope you understood the concept. Like, share, and subscribe. Comment the next video topic. Thanks for watching.